With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone. Today's question is 1.25 gram of metal carbonate MCO3 was treated with 500 ml of 0.1 molar HCl solution. The unreacted HCl required 50 ml of 0.500 molar NaOH solution for the neutralization. Identify the metal M. And we have been given 4 options: magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. So what happens, some amount of metal carbonate is given and it reacts with HCl to give a compound, and once we get that reaction, the rest of the HCl, excess HCl, is neutralized by some amount of NaOH. So we need to find what are the reactions happening here. So first up, the reaction is like it is a metal carbonate, so it is given as MCO3, metal carbonate, like this, and this, from this we can see it is CO3 2 minus, so the metal will be plus 2 charge. So metal will be a dicationic metal, so it will be from group 2, and all the options are here from group 2, like magnesium, strontium, calcium. So it will be from that group only, magnesium, alkaline earth metals. So then it will react with 2 equivalents of HCl. It will react with 2 equivalents of HCl to give MCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. This is the reaction that will happen. So it will react with the 2 equivalent of HCl to give this product. And then for neutralization, what will happen is HCl will react with NaOH. 1 equivalent of HCl will react with 1 equivalent of NaOH to give NaCl plus water. So that is the other reaction that is happening here. So for initially we have been given there is 500 milliliter of 0.1 molar HCl. So we can calculate the number of moles of HCl. Number of moles of HCl, which is equal to volume into molarity. So which is equal to 500 into 0.1, and volume should be in liters, so it should be 10 to the power minus 3. We get the answer as 50 millimole. 50 millimole, or 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. So this is the number of moles of HCl. Now let's find the number of moles of NaOH used. So this is the total number of moles of HCl. Now number of moles of NaOH, total NaOH is, we have been given it is 0.5 molar solution of NaOH, 50 ml of 0.5 molar NaOH. So again volume into molarity, we get volume is 50 into molarity is 0.5 into 10 to the power 3 minus 3, volume in liter. So we get this answer as 25 millimole. 25 millimole of NaOH is used for neutralization. So we have total 50 millimole of HCl and 25 millimole of NaOH is used for neutralization. Therefore, the amount of HCl reacted with MCO3, metal carbonate, is 50 minus 25, because 50 millimole of HCl was present and 25 millimole of NaOH was used to neutralize. And from the reaction we can see, for 1 equivalent of NaOH, 1 equivalent of HCl, 1 equivalent of NaOH is required. So for if 25 millimole of NaOH is present, there should be 25 millimole of HCl, then only the neutralization will be happening. So then we have the remaining, that is 25 millimole of HCl reacted with MCO3 or metal carbonate. So 25 millimole reacted with metal carbonate. So we have been given there is 1.25 gram of metal carbonate. 1.25 gram of metal carbonate reacted with this. So we can see that number of moles of metal carbonate reacted will be equal to 25 by 2 because the one metal carbonate reacts with 2 equivalent of HCl. So if there is 25 millimole of HCl, then only 25 by 2 millimole of MCO3 metal carbonate will have reacted. So it will be 12.5 millimole. So 12.5 millimole of metal carbonate would have reacted with this HCl, 25 millimole HCl. So if that is the case, 12.5 millimole equal to, therefore, given mass by molar mass of metal carbonate will be equal to 12.5. So given mass is 1.25 gram. So we have 1.25 gram by mass of metal carbonate equal to 12.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 millimole. It is in millimole, so we just multiply it by 10 to the power minus 3. So from this we can find mass of metal carbonate equal to 1.25 by 12.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, which will be equal to 100. So it will be equal to 100. This will be the 100 gram. Actually 100 gram will be the mass of the metal carbonate. So from this we got that 100 gram of metal carbonate is present, is the molar mass of metal carbonate, 100 gram. So therefore mass of metal equal to 100 minus mass of carbon plus 3 into mass of oxygen. So it will be equal to 100 minus mass of carbon is 12 plus 3 into mass of oxygen is 60. So we get 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40. So mass of metal is 40, and from the therefore mass of metal is 40. Molar mass is 40 gram. So from this we know that calcium has mass 40 gram per mole. So therefore calcium is the metal. Therefore calcium is the metal that is that is present. So that will be the answer. That's it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.